all see those celebrities and super rich people and big corporations using their big fancy private jets. I'm not going to name them or anything because you know who they are. Well, the IRS just said, yeah, we see them too. The IRS just announced it's opening dozens of audits of large corporations, partnerships, and high-income taxpayers who use their private jets as write-offs. The IRS says the audits will focus on whether, for tax purposes, the use of the jet is being properly allocated between business use and personal use. Obviously, if they're trying to write off the use and maintenance of a private jet as a business expense, but in reality, using it for personal use, now we've got a problem. In general, the tax code passed by Congress allows a business deduction for expenses of maintaining an asset, like a corporate private jet, if that asset is utilized for a business purpose. However, the use of a company or private aircraft must be allocated between business use and personal use. This is a really complex area of tax law, and record keeping can be really challenging. So this is all part of the IRS's recent push to go after more complicated tax returns of corporations and high-income earners. But why wasn't this happening before? Because going after these people and these corporations is really difficult. It takes time and personnel and, quite frankly, money. Money that for decades Congress has been taking away from the IRS. But through the Inflation Reduction Act, Congress allocated $80 billion to the IRS over the next 10 years. And it's part of that money and part of those resources that the IRS is now using to make sure these high-income earners and big corporations who are using these private jets are paying what they owe. Now, this is just one of the ways the IRS is using that Inflation Reduction Act money. I have also reported in several other videos that they're pursuing separately millionaires who have failed to pay hundreds of millions of dollars in back taxes. So far, in just the last few months, the IRS has collected $482 million from just 1,600 high-income earners.